Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord overlay if it's not working. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first step here, you gotta find Discord, right click on it and quit it. All right, quit. Once done, go ahead and find Discord again, run as administrator, click on yes, and there'll be a pop-up and just wait for it to open. So once it's opened, you can now then go ahead and test it out if it works. If that still won't work, let's go ahead and check our Discord overlay settings. Go ahead and click on settings right here, or user settings. Go ahead and scroll all the way down and find game overlay. And just make sure that in-game overlay is enabled. Okay. You can click on this arrow and enable it to your registered game. Okay, also enable legacy overlay right here just to make sure. So once that's done, if your game is not here, we need to go ahead and verify it. Okay, so go ahead and find registered games right here. All right, and then you can go ahead and add it manually. Click on the drop down and make sure that the game is currently running in the background. So Discord right here notices it. Okay, find it right here, and once it's added, go ahead and go back to overlay. Go ahead and click on this arrow. Make sure that you enable, okay, enable the game where you want the Discord overlay to pop out. Once that's done, go ahead and relaunch the game and check it out. If that still won't work, go ahead and go back to settings right here in the left panel, and then find the search bar. Go ahead and type down hardware, and then go ahead and click on system. Enable hardware acceleration right here. Make sure that this one is disabled, or at least try it out. Disabled for now. Okay. I don't have the problem, so I'll keep it enabled. Now, once that's done, go ahead and check if it works. Now, if that shouldn't work, try to go ahead and turn off conflicting overlays. Let's say you have NVIDIA GeForce right here, or NVIDIA GeForce Experience, or even MSI Afterburner. You can go ahead and right click on it and exit out. Okay. So that's how you fix a Discord overlay not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.